Hello everyone, today we will discuss exercise 6.1 question number 4. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. Here you see 11 square is 121, 101 whole square is 10201, 1001 whole square is 100201, 100001 whole square 121, 1000001 square. Now from this pattern you'll find that observe this pattern. Observe this pattern 101 whole square. The first digit is 1, the last digit is 1, and the middle it is 2. And how many zeros are there? Only one zero. The 1 0 is before 2 and 1 0 is after 2. Right? Here you see in this case also 1001. The first digit is 1, the last digit is 1, and 2 in the middle. Right? And before 2 there are 2 zeros, and after 2 there are 2 zeros. Here also you see 100001 square. First is 1 0 at the first position, and 1 is in the first position, and 1 is in the last position, and 2 will be in the middle position. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4. That means there will be 4 zeros here. That is 1 2 3 4. And after 2 there will be 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Right? Now here you see 100000001 square. In first position there will be 1. In last position there will be 1. And in the middle it is 2. Now how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digit will be 6 0 will be before 2 and 6 0 will be after 2. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also you see 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this way you can find the pattern. Again we are repeating. Here you see 11 square 1 to 1, 101 square. First of all you see there is 1 at the first position and 1 at the last position, and in the middle it is 2, and the zeros is 1 0, therefore 1 0 before 2 and 1 0 after 2. Here also in this case 1 at the first position and 1 at the last position, and 2 in the middle. And how many zeros are? 2 zeros. The 2 zeros will be before 2 and 2 zeros will be after 2. Right? Here you also see 100001 whole square. Here you see first position is 1 and last position is 1. In the middle it is 2. Right? And how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 zeros will be before 2 and 4 zeros will be after 2. Right? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 1000001 square. Right? That be first position will be 1, the last position will be 1, and 2 will be in the middle. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros. Therefore 6 zeros will be before 2 and 6 zeros will be after 2. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this way you can find these answers of this pattern. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.